This is November 250 Delta Tango, a Piper PA24 Comanche. It's just undergone a full bare metal restoration and complete Garmin avionics upgrade at Aerofab Restorations in Thruxton. And we've come here to a secret farm strip to have a look at the aircraft because it's for sale.
In addition to the full respray in this uniquely striking design, this stunning 1960 aircraft has had a 0-hour engine and 0-hour propeller. It literally is as good as the day it came out of the factory. Better, in fact, as it now benefits from a complete Garmin avionics upgrade, which makes it an incredibly capable IFR tourer. The aircraft is fitted with the 10-inch G500 TXI PFD and an additional 7-inch G500 TXI, which is configured exclusively as the engine information system. Navigation and comms are provided by a GTN 750XI, which is coupled with the GNA 35 remote audio system with Telligence voice command. You can actually talk to this aircraft with voice prompts. Safety features include a GTS 800 traffic system providing both ADS-B and TAS, which can be displayed on all of the screens and in the synthetic viz. And if that wasn't enough, it's fitted with the GFC 500 autopilot, which features the electronic stability protection, and it comes complete with yaw dampers, making for a very comfortable, safe flight. Additional safety features are the EIS, of course, and Smart Glide button, which engages the autopilot and will glide the aircraft, wherever possible, towards the most suitable in-range airfield. Now, with the additional tip tanks, November 250 Delta Tango has a 90 US gallon fuel capacity, giving very good endurance, especially with airspeeds of around 160 knots. You're going a long way very quickly. If you'd like to know more about owning this aircraft, or if you'd like to upgrade or renovate your own, visit aerofabrestorations.co.uk.